Before operation, power off the machine and disconnect the power cord. Prepare a flathead screw and a hammer to remove 4 rivets at the back of the machine. Use a screwdriver to press against the rivet and continuously tap the screwdriver with a hammer. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw to disconnect the ground wire. Take out the screw. Go to the control cabinet side, find this connector. Prepare a small flathead screw to press the buckle for disconnecting. Take out the metal plate. Pull out the power cord. Take out the plastic cable grommet. Disconnect the cable grommet. Pull out the power cord. Take out the ground wire first. Then take out the connector. Prepare a new power cord. Before installing the power cord connector, make sure the white line aligns with the blue line, and the black line aligns with the red line. After aligning, proceed with the connector installation. Please note during installation, the end with the small clip should face downward. After the plug is inserted, it cannot be pulled out. Then install the blue buckle to secure cables. Put the connector through the hole. Then pass through the ground wire. Put the power cord pass through the control cabinet. Place back the metal plate. Connect the connector. Put the screw pass through the ground wire. Install the screw back to its original hole. Prepare 4 M5 pointed screws to fix metal plate. Hold the metal plate, align the hole for installation. Fix screw by screwdriver. Use screwdriver to hold the metal plate for installation. Check whether the installation is secured. Continue to fix other 2 screws. Restore the power for machine.